It's 1st December. How you doing? Hope you're well. Welcome to another video, and it's beginning of Vlogmas. I want you to think back 12 months. I know it's quite difficult, I struggle at times, but 12 months today started Vlogmas on the channel. Vlogmas is basically I do a vlog all the way through the month of December, all the way to the end. Have a bit of a ramble, talk about things, share a few experiences and what's going on in my life, things like that. Today is a very special one, kind of a short new bike day. This is the NukeProof. It's the factory digger alloy. Look at that colour. It's called Depressed Aubergine. You can see DT Swiss wheels on there. DT Swiss G1800 spline, and the tyre is a Schwalbe G-Bite 1. Literally been about 400 metres to get to this point, and already adjusted that saddle twice. Probably going to adjust it once more as well. Anyway, I'm going to just head down there, follow the canal path, just use up my half an hour for lunch. As you know, whenever I finish work, it's pitch black. I hate this time of year, I really do, because it means you can't get out and ride properly Monday to Friday, unless you want to ride in the dark, which I'm not a big fan of, to be honest. Anyway, let's get on my bike. Let's try and ride this thing. So yeah, this is day one of Vlogmas. I'm going to be doing a video every day all the way through the month. On some days that means you're going to get twice the fun. What else can I tell you apart from I've got a new bike? Well, everything seems to be opening event wise today. So I've signed up for the Dirty Reaver gravel event, proper gravel bike this time, not 35 Schwalbe tyres on a road bike. Also signed up for the GB Escapade, so thanks for that suggestion. I think there's a Rob in the comment and Neil Copeland as well said why don't you sign up for that one, so I've signed up for that, which meant I had to sacrifice one of the Audaxes, the 600 kilometre Audax, the 9 counties. I've withdrawn from that event. Instead I'm going to do the Pendle 600. It's about a week later, so that means even more climbing. So just get going again. Yeah, gravel bike, that means I need to be signing up, not just signing up for events, but I mean doing a lot more gravel riding. So that's going to be busy doing some off-roading over the next few weeks and months ahead, with the end goal being aiming to compete in Badlands in 2024. So yeah, I know it's a long way off, but I wanted to get plenty of practice in first and just have a different sort of experience in 2023. Just do some fun stuff and return in 2024 to perhaps doing the TCR and just see what's out there really. You know, the doors are open now. I've got a gravel bike, I can do lots of other different things. Well folks, I've probably tweaked to it about 5 times already. I'm going to end the video here because I've got to get back to work. I'll see you again tomorrow, and we'll go out for another lunchtime gravel ride. I'll just need to find something else to talk about. I'm sure there's plenty. It's been a fantastic year. Anyway, comments, questions, stick them down below. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.